I think the important thing about conferences like this is that they give the delegates the chance to network, that's self-evident, but they also have the chance to discuss some of these questions in a safe and friendly environment. I think that's really important.
Electronic media is really good for exchanging data and facts, but to build the trust that you need to be able to employ fighters around the world with the multiple threats that we face requires that we build trust, and we can only do that through a venue like this.
Is to hear, be challenged, to test your views and to use the opportunity to chat to people in the margins of the conference to explore in more detail and understand their viewpoints. So it's been really helpful. And of course to hear from industry, both in terms of the synthetic delivery and indeed in terms of the providers of capability, whether it be platforms or subsystems, on where they see the future is really helpful to shape my understanding.
The Fighter Conference is very, very interesting because we are able to hear from all the Air Force all over the world what's going on in such a way very clear, very fair, very direct. So it's, I think that's essential to have my people here listen to the pilots, to the industry.
Well, certainly the biggest thing for me is knowledge sharing. So talking to not just loads of different air forces from around the world, but also industry and what industry is actually doing to try and meet some of the challenges that the Air Force is facing.
Is the broad nature of it, the fact that we get to interface with so many different air forces from around the world, the shared activity. Clearly, as a business development person, it helps me have a better understanding of what the emerging needs are and where we might shape activities.
It helped me a lot because you have the view from the air forces, but also the view from the contractors and the industry who are used to make the planes. So having these two perspectives is pretty interesting for me and for the decision we have to make to improve our air force.